Welcome back to the channel. This is the last machine I'm looking for in a series of a few machines for this customer. We're at a 960 on this one, I believe. Wait a minute. No, it isn't. It's 96. Duh. So 96 hours, and it's a 2019. This is the date code. DC is date code, January 2019. So original batteries. So initially what we had to do was do a little aftercare training, operational training real quick. No reports of any issues, I believe. I mean, the issues, one of them are what we see right here. The lack of care on the pads, changing them around. The pad retainer fell off on one of these, okay? I believe they didn't know how to take the pads off, the pad drivers off. These are magnetic. So there's a yellow button you push to release, and that's it. But they did not know when to change these. But obviously these lack any quality whatsoever. No cleaning ability. Probably more scratching the machine. Now, showed the customer with a good pad how to install them properly, install them onto the machine. Also, check the hoses, fair wear and tear. Also on the squeegee was completely filthy. I showed them how to rotate the blades. They're still dry rotted, but we need to replace them with a set and have one for stock. Now, the bristle brush, the bumper brush, if you will, is actually worn out and it's filthy. Another thing we had to show them how to do was the filter, checking the filter. Also, I got to show them how to do the brake bypass if the machine does become disabled. Covered error codes that may possibly come up, flashing LEDs, and throttle. It's easier to handle the throttle as opposed with the go button. Showed them what to look for in the charger compartment. Good extension cord. Also, the other thing was leaving the lid open, cleaning the float cage, cleaning the debris, keeping this open so the vac motor can dry properly, gasket. Overall, just training that they never got from the manufacturer's rep. Okay. Also checking to make sure that they know how to install the squeegee tool itself, besides keeping it clean. That's the first step of keeping it clean, but I believe I gotta adjust this to a proper position when I come back here. But yeah, there should be a little more bristle on here. So overall, not bad issues at all with this machine. So I'm gonna assemble my quote to get this machine running. We have some bonus footage here. The original problem was lack of it's not holding a charge. I didn't see that originally when I turned on the unit, and even the current head custodian here said they're getting hours on these batteries. So anyways, it's charging, and it's at the right spot in the charge cycle. That's one of the things I wanted to make sure of. And again, I use testimony on the customer's behalf before I want them to dive into a large amount of money to replace the batteries. Yes, these batteries are going on 3 years old, but I think the problem was they weren't being frequently charged. They did not know how the charge frequency. My rule of thumb is basically use a machine for an hour a day, put it on a charge cycle. You're discharging the batteries enough to make a difference. So right now it's looking pretty good. Let's take a look at the charger indication, and it's okay. So these batteries were fairly charged. So since this work order was already started, there's been a change for a few months with a new head custodian, and I think they picked up some good charging habits, it looks like. So I think we're right where we're supposed to be at.